Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am definitely going to be coloring another wig today. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig, and I am going to be adding just a little bit of an ombre slash balayage effect to this wig. She wants something in between a light brown and a blonde color, so it's not going to be too bright, really subtle. So I'm going to be going ahead and coloring this wig, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I am completely done with the very back, and I wanted this part to be a little bit more bold because this is where the longer hair is and the most of the blonde would be. She definitely doesn't want it to be too blonde or too high towards the top of her head. So towards the top portion of her head, I am going to do some back combing and slices and weaving as well to get those subtle highlights towards the top and then the more boldness towards the bottom. Okay, so this is the top back, the complete top back section of this wig, and I am going to take some slices, back comb them a little bit, and then I am going to do some bleaching on the ends of those as well.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Okay, so now my back portion is completely done, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides. She definitely does not want the color or the bleach to come above her ears, which end up being about right here. So if anything, all the color is gonna be below that, just some subtle pieces for the front area. And I'm just gonna highlight these pieces in. I'm gonna do a slice, highlight, slice, highlight up until I get to not the very top, but towards the mid area. So this is my slice that I'm gonna leave out, and then I take a piece here and I am going to highlight this piece, definitely making sure that my last highlight piece ends up closer to the face, so then she can definitely have some color towards her face area as well. So I'm not gonna tease this one at all. I'm just gonna take a foil, get a little bit of bleach on there, and I am going to end up putting it right around here. Her ears are about here, so this is gonna be like a shadow area of bleach towards this part. But everything down here is going to be highlighted. And then once I get about here, I am just going to go a little bit at a time and kind of feather the bleach in not making it too bold, but just enough for my client. So I'm gonna do this on both sides of this lace closure wig, and I'll come back once it's completely done and show you guys what my first foil looks like. All right, so this is my last foil that I am doing on the side, and I will show you guys what my first foil looks like. So my first foil that I did is on the side. Let me get down to it. Down here, this is what it looks like. It looks like close to like a level, if you can't really see it in the camera, it looks close to like a level 6 right about now, close to a 7, almost getting there. 7 is, I definitely don't want to go above that. So my back foils, I'm gonna go ahead and start rinsing out because I want it to be a nice subtle right in between a blonde and a light brown. So I am gonna end up toning it, yes, but I definitely do not want to over bleach the hair any more than I need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this one out, and when I completely rinse out all of the color, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like wet after I tone it. Alright guys, so everything is done. This is just the hair air dried. I just let it air dry. I did not blow dry this hair at all. And these are the highlights in them. Lighter at the bottom, really subtle through the top. She didn't want that much towards the top of her head, but she didn't want it to be just straight ombre and really blonde at the bottom either. So I used a 6 natural to tone her blonde hair here, just to make it a whole even look. I used a 6 in from Wella, and I just got that from Sally, and I only used one box of 6 in from Wella to get these nice subtle color, nothing too bright. So now I'm gonna go ahead and curl her up the way that my client wants her to be, and then we'll come back.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright guys, so she is completely curled. You see, look at that luscious color. It came out exactly how I needed to come out. Very bold towards the bottom, but definitely needed just highlights towards the top. It was really exactly what I needed it to be. Let me show you how this is looking. She just definitely wanted some natural waves, kind of loose. Yeah, so I think that's how I'm going to keep her. My client's gonna come pick this up in a little while, so she's definitely sold already. If anybody wants a wig that looks like her, you can definitely get it custom made and custom colored, you know, exactly the way you need it to be for you. I just try to create things for my clients that are what they want for them, nothing like manufacturer made or anything. So this is it. I will definitely post some pictures at the end so you guys can really see, you know, the full color that she has. It's really pretty. This is how it looks in the back. It's crazy because on the camera it looks so much brighter than it does in person, but it is definitely what she wants Alright, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, definitely comment down below. Everything, my website is in the description box. My Instagram as well if you guys want to see some more wigs that I make. And of course, please subscribe to my channel. I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.